Hello guys, welcome to Himal56, and in this video I will show you that how to make border progress bar. It's really simple. So right click on here, then new, color matte, press on OK, give it the color you want, this color, then press on OK, give it a name. I don't know the color name, so just yellow. Now select the preview window, then go to view, enable show guide, then enable show ruler. Left click on here, drag, left click, drag. It's totally up to you that how much width do you need. Bring the color matte to the timeline. Let's increase it to like 5 seconds. Select the color matte layer, then from here select effect. If your effect is not here, click on this button, then select effects, then search for crop. Left click, hold, drag and drop over the layer. Now go to effect control, scroll down, here we have our crop, increase the top. Let's bring another matte layer, same 5 seconds, crop. Now the right side, let's select the first color matte. Move your playhead to the first frame. Make a keyframe here by clicking on this button. Then go to the last frame. Make another keyframe. Do the same for the upper one. Select the upper one. Make keyframe for top. Go to the first frame. Another keyframe. Now increase the top to 100%. Now select the first one, increase the right to 100%. We are done. To remove the ruler and guide, select the preview window, then go to view, uncheck them, clear the guide. See guys, it's really that simple. You can do the same thing for this corner. After you are done, select the matte layers, right click, next. Let's name it progress. Now everything is on single layer. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.